What is up, guys? It's Fix-It-Fit-Me here, and today we're doing a full restoration on this iPhone 7 and converting it to green with black antenna lines. So yeah, guys, I haven't done a custom iPhone in a long time, and a lot of people these days don't typically do custom iPhones, but I've had this housing sitting on my shelf for a long time, and I recently just got a lot of phones in, so I thought, perfect opportunity. Let's go ahead and let's make a 128 gigabyte all black, green and black iPhone. So let's go ahead and let's get started. This phone is fully functional. It is a 128 gigabyte unlocked model. The housing is in kind of rough shape, not super great looking. So this is one of the rougher ones that I had. We're gonna go ahead and we are going to make it green with black today. So this housing does already have some pre-installed parts, which is going to help us majorly. So let's go ahead and let's get started. First, we are going to have to go ahead and tear apart this iPhone 7. So let's go ahead and let's get started with that. Okay, we're in the phone. Let's go ahead and let's get this screen off. Alright guys, there we go. Motherboard's out. Let's go ahead and let's start working on the new housing. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get started putting this motherboard in. Alright, we're just going to throw a battery in there for now to test it out. We got pretty much everything all together and done. Go ahead and throw a screen on here real quick, and we'll see if she turns on. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Alright. So far, so good. Wow, that took a very long time to start up. It's probably just because of this battery. But it is on. We don't have we don't have the vibration motor. But it is on. It does seem to be working. Let me try the camera. Yep, camera looks good. All the buttons do work. Awesome. We'll go ahead and shut this down, and we're going to fix that vibration motor. or that taptic engine. Alright, we are back. I have figured out that this taptic engine is most likely dead. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. We're going to take the one from here and we're going to move it over. Alright, let's go ahead and try this new one out. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I lost the end of putting everything back together for some reason. I don't know what happened to that. But thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And new videos coming soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.